For sale on eBay today is an extremely nice Boxer 526DX mini track loader. This particular unit was a dealer loaner, so a new dealer would take a machine in, service it, fix it, and this was the loaner, so it hasn't seen a lot of use. It's only got 1,200 original hours, which is low hours for a machine like this. Always building, stored, and kept. Our techs go through these machines mechanically, make sure everything's okay, replaces anything that needs replaced, and also touches the machine up cosmetically. So you're very proud to take it on a job site with a good looking, good running machine. This is a heavy duty model. It's got a 2,000 pound tipping capacity, so it is a larger machine, heavier duty. It's got a 27 horsepower diesel motor. Everyone wants the diesels. It's got tracks that go in and out, expandable tracks, so when they do come in, they go into 36 inches, so you can go through a 36-inch gate with this machine. It's got dual hookups for any type of attachment. You can run any type of attachment on this machine. It's got a lot of power for attachments. It's also got a lot of features, which I'll show you in a minute. It's got a crawl feature. You can set it if you have some attachments on the front that need you need the ability to crawl while you're using it at full throttle. It'll do that. So it's got a lot of great things. You can walk behind, or you can stand on. It's just a great heavy duty, nice diesel mini track loader. As I said, dealer loaner, well taken care of. You can see, always building, stored, with 1,200 original hours. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up. I'm going to run it around a little bit, show you how smoothly it operates, and then I'll take the camera and take it a little closer and show you the machine. First, I'll move the tracks, and then I'll show you how that works, and then I'll run it around a little. It's also got 2 speeds, high and low, along with the crawl feature that I mentioned. We'll go ahead and take the camera a little closer. As I said, only 1,200 original hours on this machine. It was a dealer loaner, so it was well taken care of. Didn't see a lot of construction work. It was just loaned out if someone's new machine was being serviced or fixed. There's your dual hookups for any attachments. This is a nice machine for attachments because it does have a lot of power, 27 horsepower diesel motor. There's your cylinders inside that, as you saw, the tracks go in and out. They're out. When they're out, they're about 43.5 inches, and when they're in, they're 36 inches. So you can go through gates, 36-inch gate. As I said, our tech goes through these machines both mechanically, make sure everything's okay, good sprockets. And these are the original tracks. So with only 1,200 hours on a machine, you can see that, as I said, not a lot of use. Always building stored. It's watched in such great shape. But we do, as I said, go through them mechanically and touch them up physically. Cosmetically, we touch them up. So it makes a nice machine to take on a job site. It's got dual tanks for your diesel. There's your 27 horsepower diesel motor. As I said, you can stand on. It's on a spring system or walk behind. A lot of features. There's your crawl feature. You can set that if you need the machine to run with attachments at full throttle. It'll crawl, and there's your system for your tracks moving in and out. Just a lot of features on this heavy-duty machine. As I said, it's got a 1-ton, 2,000-pound tipping capacity, so it can really lift, and you can do some heavy-duty work with this machine. Really nice Boxer 526 DX heavy duty mini track loader. Dealer demo, always building stored, 1,200 original hours. If there are any questions, my name is Kevin. My number is 724-516-1142.